Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Design and Development of CC3200-based Cloud IoT for measuring humidity and temperature. Now we can see the abstract of our project. So the temperature and the humidity plays the major role in the field of agriculture, science, engineering and technology. So as we all know that without the temperature and humidity, agriculture is not possible. So everyone should know, who are all doing agriculture should know about the temperature conditions to do the cultivation process. So here in the proposed system, we are going to have three types. They are IoT server, admin or user, and the cloud. So in this system, the admin or user will first upload the dataset based on the list of cities that which have the latitude and longitude of each city. The IoT server will get the request from the user to use the sensor for finding the values of the temperature and pressure here. So this process is the simulation process. We have just simulated the sensor values for the list of the cities that which we have get as the request. Here the IoT sensor is simulated to generate the sensor values. So after generating the sensor values, the sensor values are sent to the user so that they can able to know the humidity and temperature values easily from the cloud. Now we can see the flow diagram of the system. So as we already said that there are three modules, mainly admin, cloud and IoT server. So first the admin will log in into the system. So the admin, if first they want to sign up, so if the login is correct, they will do the process, or else they are redirected to the login page. So after the successful login, the admin want to load the dataset. So after loading the dataset, it is requested to the server. That means that the dataset consists of latitude, longitude with city's name. So the dataset is sent to the IoT server. The IoT server will then accept the file and simulate the sensor values and load the values and upload it to the cloud database. So after that, after these processes are over, the admin again will get the file from the cloud database. That is, the file contains the generated values of temperature, humidity, pressure values, etc. for the list of cities that which have already uploaded. So after getting the file, the admin or the user will generate the report for the generated values. So this is the overall process of the project. Now we can see the running process of our project. Now we are going to see the running process of our project. So finding the humidity and temperature monitoring system. So first the user, in the user part I am going to select welcome.java. I am going to right click on it and run the file. So this is our home page. When I click next, we are going to request for the login. So here the username and password, I am going to give the username and password. Okay. So now the login success, it is going to be redirected to dataset loading page. So now select the dataset that which contain the city list. So here I am having the dataset, so I am going to open it, and when I show it, you can able to see the list of the cities. So I am having Mumbai, its latitude and longitude values, etc., and it is the population, this is the population values, and it is the latitude and longitude values. So when I click next, it is going to select the next frame. So here we can able to see sensors needed. So I have 25 cities. I am going to select 25 sensors. Server needed, I just need one server. Wi-Fi needed, I just need one Wi-Fi. So now I am going to select the file, that is browsing. Again going to browse that same dataset again to load it to the server. So I am going to select the dataset again. Okay. So when I show it, it is going to display in the table format, aligned format. So before requesting the server, you should start the server first. So I'm going to start the IoT server here. So first of all, accept request. Just right click on it and going to run the file. So it is the main IoT server. So first accept the request. So it is the server client server program. So first it should be accepted because server is always kept running, so it should be accepted first. Now just I am going to request to the server. So now the resources, it will display the messages resources allocated successfully. So now I am going to send the file, that is I am going to send the dataset to the cloud. When I send file, and here I am going to accept the file. So file has been received successfully. Okay. So when I click next button, it is going to open a new slide. So it is also a client server process. So here I click. So here you can able to see the blank white screen. So when I start the server, then only this screen is shown here. So this simulation of servers will be started. So first of all I am going to generate the temperature value. So temperature values are generated for the cities, and now the pressure values are generated like humidity, air, and I am just going to show it. So when I show it, you can able to see that city name, population, latitude, longitude, temperature, pressure, air, humidity values. So now I'm going to just exit the system. So now I'm going to just show the report. So when I show the report, you can able to see that all the generated sensor values are displayed here, and I am going to generate the chart for the report produced here. So thus we can able to see that temperature, pressure, humidity, air values. So air value, this is temperature value, temperature values in red lines, and pressure values in blue lines, and air is in yellow color lines. So this is the overall running process of our project CC3200, and thank you for watching it.